Something that sets Camworks Wire EDM apart from the competition is the fact that it was designed specifically for wire EDM processing, unlike most other CAM systems that simply use modified milling commands. What you get with Camworks is an intuitive, automatic, and efficient tool for generating EDM toolpaths. Camworks EDM is fully integrated in SolidWorks, so all of the commands are at your fingertips, and your entire CAM data is saved in the same file as the CAD data, so you don't have to worry about managing a bunch of extra files like you would with other CAM software. Camworks lets you quickly and easily program 2 through 4 axis EDM machines, and you can take advantage of automatic feature recognition, as well as interactive feature recognition technologies that make Camworks so powerful and intuitive. The interactive wizard makes it easy to define features such as dies, punches, and open profiles. The customizable technology database lets you take full advantage of knowledge-based machining by capturing and reusing best practice cutting strategies such as pre-programmed rough, skim, and tab cuts on particular types of features. Camworks can identify features that meet certain criteria and recommend the correct processes, cutting strategies, wire diameters, and power settings. After generating toolpaths, the machining order can be simulated showing the wire and wire guides. If you wish, simulated shapes can be saved as STL files that can then be used as stock shapes for other machining operations. Plus, since all of the tools were developed specifically for EDM machining, the result is a fast, efficient, and intuitive EDM program. With Camworks Wire EDM, you get fast, error-free toolpaths, quickly and easily, that give you consistent results.